All right, let's talk about the king of all pickup trucks, the 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Under the hood, you've got a supercharged V8 engine now cranked up to a mind-blowing 720 horsepower. Visually, it's just pure intimidation. It comes standard with massive 37-inch tires that make it look like it's ready for the apocalypse. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly premium interior, carbon fiber accents, leather, Alcantara. But the real magic happens when you drive it. The acceleration is just brutal. The Fox Live valve suspension is incredible, soaking up bumps like they're not even there, whether you're on the street or flying through the desert. The fuel economy is, well, terrible, and as you'd expect. The Raptor R isn't built for practicality. It's built to be the ultimate, most over-the-top performance truck on the planet. What do you guys think? Is the Raptor R the dream truck